Jeez.
Let him cross. Let him cross. I think probably the best way to teach children not to do drugs is to allow them to see people on drugs.
Yeah. There's so many in this town. They say this is the epicenter of this crisis here.
Because if a child sees a crackhead acting weird, they're not going to want to grow up and be that. You know what I mean? Or if they see a meth head with the teeth all rotten out and stuff like that. That's what I think. Maybe that's not exactly correct. There's quite a few people
See
that
that?
I've known that
Look at
are
that
on
girl.
drugs. You are going to make a left at this street here.
I left there, right?
Yeah. This green. Well, that is interesting. Some people do some weird things. This guy has a broom on the ground, and it's underneath his chin, like it's holding his head up, and he's just standing there with it. That was probably the best sign I've ever seen. Zombies must be kept on a leash. How long can the leash be, though?
Whoa, look at that. Jeez.
Those dogs.
How can a pit bull look like that?
Muscle. Oh, the people? I thought you meant the dogs. Those
The
are
dogs.
some interesting dogs. Okay, it says we are here. Arriving at Kensington, Philadelphia.
Look like I see people with a lot of bags driving by.
Yep. So you might want to go that way.
Oh, you can't turn here, right?
Okay. It says no turn on red.
I think that.
Oh, like under the subway, right?
Yeah. So are they down there or this? Which side is that?
They're all over. This is Kensington area. Just go straight, I'm thinking. But that park is filled with riffraff, right?
Look like they're cleaning it up. They say it's always looking bad. I see it in the comments.
So they're just shooting up all around this, all on the street. And they don't even watch where they're walking.
Look at that. That guy's pretty young.
Hey YouTube, we are driving through Kensington, Philadelphia, the epicenter of the opioid crisis here in the United States. We are heading to the Mutter Museum here in Philadelphia. Watch out for that video.
So where you see, that's what Chris Rock said, where you see women, grown women standing around during the middle of the day, you know it's a good neighborhood. But where you see grown men standing around in the middle of the day, you are in a dangerous area.
This guy's not riding on the bike lane, so that's why I'm like. He's gonna watch you.
Here.
I think they're getting rid of them from this street, so they're going to the back there. You see even the cops everywhere.
Wow, that's a beautiful painting. Mural, I mean. Jeez, man. You just walk
There.
right in front of the car, don't they? And here's some more of them. Hold on.
Jeez.
Just let them cross. Let them cross. So this reminds me of Oakland in the 80s.
And they're in the 2000s, right?
I wasn't out there in the
No, I'm saying,
2000s.
and them here, they're in the 2000s.
This might have been like this for all this time, though. This is a whole city, right?
Yeah. Because it looks like it's only that spot.
Oh, it's all over. It's all over this general area.
But we don't go to a toilet that is filthy, so we're gonna have to.
No, we need to go out of this area.
Yeah, that's not-
Here, it probably smells worse than Central Park. And that was really bad. Central Park stank so bad.
Is this the bridge that we passed through on top?
I don't know. Well, I mean, the bridge
Yeah.
was over water. This is, I think, an overpass
Yeah.
for like a road. Or maybe it's the subway. Not the subway, but the train.
Yeah.
Maybe this is the train. It kind of looks like it would be a train, not a two-lane road. You know what I mean? So why don't you turn down one of these streets?
What's the train?
It's a train on top of us.
Oh, wow.
It's like the BART or the subway. So make a left or a right down one of these streets.
Yeah, all the cars are facing me, so I'm scared.
You can go and follow that black car.
Oh, look at that. She down there. Put it dandy. Oh.
No, if you go down there,
Oh, I should have gone there.
it's all right. Make the next one.
Exactly. So why did you just do it right here? That is weird.
Because they don't have a place to live. Where else are they going to do it? If you ain't got a place to live, then the street is your house. Everything that you must do has to be right there on the street.
You see that guy there? people are so young to be out here. That's what I noticed.
Yeah. Is this that park? You should turn up the street. Turn this way.
Turn up there?
Oh, that's a one way. So go that way. You know what I mean?
Okay. Look at her. She's new, I think. She's too fresh with it. Wow, they're just fixing it right now. I don't know if you've seen them. Couldn't. But if you see when people are crowded looking down, all of them, there's something they're fixing.
So this is where Will Smith grew up?
Yeah. I
Wow.
go down this street and come to the bridge.
Oh, we're getting... Okay. The garbage bag didn't even make it in the garbage. But the only way you're going to see anything is if you get out of the car. You know what I mean? If you get out of the car and you walk it, that's when you're going to see things. So you are going to make a left at the light.
The left of the light.
A left at the light. You got it. You heard that dude yell at me. Put that camera down, lady. As he's smoking crack. Literally right now. He's literally over there smoking crack. He told me to put the camera down. You can see it lighting up the crack pipe. Or whatever it is he's smoking.
Yeah.